Hey there, and welcome back to another video showcasing a brand new feature that we have here at SiteGPT. If you log into your dashboard and then go to the bottom left of your screen here, you'll see that we have an option for members now. Now, on this members page, I've actually added some example members with different roles, which you can see by clicking on this dropdown right here. There are a few different distinct role types that you can have. So first and foremost, a super admin is the highest level of access. If someone's made to be a super admin, they have full access to everything, including deleting the chatbot. An admin themselves can invite and remove other admins and managers. They can't invite others as super admins. This is the first indication that you can't invite anybody as a level of authorization higher than yourself. So for example, moving down further, managers can invite agents and can edit/manage everything inside the chatbot, but they can't necessarily invite other managers. And agents themselves are able to essentially view and make changes to the chat history. So this would be the lowest tier of access. And we're going to show you how all of these work in functionality in a moment. But first, let's show you actually how you can invite people to SiteGPT. So I'm going to invite my other email address as an admin. So you'll see right here that it'll actually have the pending invitations, and you're allowed to delete them even if you haven't had them accept the invite yet. So let's open up this email. And you'll see that it's an invite from SiteGPT. So I'm going to go to this link. Since it is just a test one, I have to go to a private browser. I'm going to paste this magic link in. And you'll see that I have access to that specific chatbot. Now, this is very important to point out because I don't necessarily give them access to the entirety of the workspace. I just give them access to my chatbot. So as you can see right here, I have other bots within my SiteGPT account, but I'm just inviting them to this specific chatbot as a member. So as this admin, I can go in and add different links to have the product be trained on, add files, interact with the Google Drive, and upload files from there, add specific text, interact with the Q&A feature, and everything else, even adding integrations. Pretty much the same kind of stuff as the super admin, the only difference being super admins are the only ones that can delete the chatbot. Now, if you want to see what the rest of these levels are, manager essentially is going to have this same sidebar. But quick tip, if you do want to test out the different levels for yourself, I'm going to actually put admin +1 at riseproductive.com. So if you anything after the plus sign in the Google ecosystem, it's essentially just not going to count, but it's going to be a separate email per se. So I can send this to admin at riseproductive.com with the +1 appendage. And then you'll see that I actually get this agent invite. So I'm going to do this in another private window so we can get a look at what the agent looks like. So if I go into the chatbot here, you'll see that I can interact with the dashboard, take a look at these kind of things, go to the chat history, interact with that, almost be a sort of assistant as an agent. You know, that's like kind of the name of the bot in the back end. So being that agent in the back end, you can use this level of member access as a customer support bot to go through the different chats here, interact with these people. If there are any different conversations that are escalated, you can respond right here. What questions do you have for us? And then as the agent, rather than the bot, I'd discuss this with the user. And then as mentioned previously, managers essentially are that tier above agents where they can invite agents and edit things within the chatbot. So this is a very nice set of member types that allow you to have a team work inside of SiteGPT. The amount of updates that we're shipping here has been amazing. So if you're interested in any more features, please make sure to leave some recommendations down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And we're excited to bring more updates to you very soon. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and check out this video on how to improve your skills using SiteGPT even more.